In this video, I will show you how to transfer from Robinhood to crypto.com. To do this is fairly simple. What you want to go and do first is open up Robinhood, it can be the app or website, and just go to the crypto tab. From there, search for a cryptocurrency that you own or that you want to send. For example, use Solana since it's one of the cheaper options and it's very fast. And I already have some Solana. If you don't have any, you can just go and buy some. Then from there, scroll further down and there you can then click send. And here what you want to do is just click enter manually in the bottom. And then here you will need to paste in your wallet address. So to find this, go and open up crypto.com. And then on crypto.com from the home screen, click deposit and select crypto. Here you're just gonna search for the same cryptocurrency that you selected on Robinhood, which in my case is Solana. And then from there, click on it. Then for the network, in this case, select Solana. For Bitcoin, select Bitcoin. Then here you will find your wallet address. Click on the copy icon. Then it will be copied. Now go back to Robinhood and simply paste it in right here. And then click continue. Now here you can then choose how much you would like to send. For example, I'm sending 0.0022 Solana just for this example. And then from there they'll ask you where is this crypto going, so to yourself or someone else. In my case it's myself, so that's what I'll select. And then here you have the overview. Now just go and click on submit. And then you should see a screen like this that says your transfer's on its way. So now if I go to crypto.com and head over into my accounts, then crypto. So now after doing that, the crypto will be deposited directly into my crypto.com account. So that's how to transfer from Robinhood to crypto.com. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.